Hi everyone. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of the daily newspaper of Wednesday, May the 20th, 2020. It's a 4-star Sudoku, so let's get started. Alright, I see here in this big square 6 missing numbers. The three of those missing numbers are the 4, the 7, and the 6. I see the 6, 7, and the 4 in this row, so no 6, 7, and the 4 in those two boxes. So the 6, 7, and the 4 goes in these three boxes. I see here 4, so no 4 there. Here also a 4, so no 4. The 4 should be there. And the 6 and the 7 goes there. I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 6 goes and there. The other three numbers are the numbers 1, 5, and 8. I believe 1, 5, and 8. Here 1, because we have a 1 there. 5, 8. 5, 8. I mark them. It's easier to work with. The other three numbers in the first row are the numbers 2, 3, and the 9. The 2, 3, and the 9. I see here 2, so no 2 there. Here also 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. The 9 and the 3 are left. 9 and the 3, 9 and the 3. I mark them. It's easier to work with. Alright, then we go to in this row 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there, but I see here also a 4. No 4 there. 4 should be there. How about yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see there 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. Here I saw a 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. We have a 2 in this column, a 2 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for a 5 should be here, here, or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. Here also a 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Now 3. We have a 5 here, so 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 1 are left in this big square. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and the 8 goes there. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. there and 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in the last row, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In that row, we have an 8 over there. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see there are 6, so no 6 in this box. There also a 6, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. In the middle row, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row above, we have a 6 over there. So in that row, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here or there. But I see we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. How about the 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. And then the 8 in this row, the 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be here. How about this missing number in this column? This should be 1, 2. The 3 is missing here. How about this box, empty box? We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers here. In this row for the number 7 and 6, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this column. For the number 3, these 2 numbers in this row are the numbers 9 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 3. I need to wait for more information. That means 1 digit left in this big square. 9 and 3. This should be a 1. 9 and 3. 9 and 3. Look, we have a 9 and 3 there. So these 2 numbers are left in this column are the numbers 4 and 8. No, we have a 8. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Then these two numbers in this big square, the missing numbers here are the 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. And then a 4 in this row, a 4 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9. 9 and a 3, and 9 and a 3. So this should be a 3, and this should be a 9. We have a 9 here, so this should be a 3, and this should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for a 9 should be here or there, but I see here a 9. No 9 there, 9 should be there. Then how about 3, 7, 6? These 2 numbers in the third column, the missing numbers here are the 8 and the 7 are missing. 8 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so in the second column, the only 2 places for a 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3, how about these 2 numbers? In the second row, the missing numbers here are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 8 and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku 4 stars, I'm very, very, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku. in this additional of this newspaper, a binary puzzle will be. So see you later in a minute. Bye bye.